Solution: t minus 4 equal to 4 into 4 minus t. T minus 4 case 1 equal to 4 times 4, 16 minus 4 times t, 40. Then substitute t minus 4 plus 40, this shifted to left, and minus 16 equals to 0. Therefore, t plus 40 equals to 5t minus 4 minus 16 minus 20 equals to 0. 5t equals to 20 shift in the right side, positive 20 over 5 over 5. 5 cancel 5. T equals to 5, 1, 5, 5, 4. 4. Then check it. T minus 4 over 4 minus t equal 4. The value of t equal to 4. So substitute 4 in t. 4 minus t over 4 minus t equal 4. 4 minus 4, 0 over 4 minus 4, 0 equal to 4. Then this equation have no solution. Case 2. T minus 4 over 4 minus t equal to 4. This multiplied by minus sign, minus into 4 minus t over 4 minus t equal 4. This cancel by this. Minus 1 equal to 4. Again, this equation will not have a solution. Therefore, mathematically 4 is not answer.